Nama saya Nona Nabila Binti Mustafa, nombor street number 13 DDT 21F2043. Saya ingin membentangkan mini projek 1. Student movement to buy food at school cafe. Introduction. The project that we make is about the problem in the school cafe. This project discuss the problem faced by the student when in or outside the school cafe and how to solve it. When entering or leaving the school cafe, we must be in a situation that is not constant and safe. There are some problems faced by students when entering and leaving the school cafe. There are some examples of problems faced by the student. Example of problem faced by students when entering and leaving the school cafe are the student may experience concession when they enter and leave the school cafe because they do not follow the line up. In addition, some students do not fill in the room beforehand. This result in my many empty chairs. Next, students also get difficulty leaving the school cafe because there is only one door. This will result in a regular and insecure line. Finally, the design for the above problem are explained to the final conclusion. Thus, we hope this project will facilitate and encourage students when entering and leaving the book. Scenario current problem. Usually, the school cafe is used for this program because accommodate many students. Unfortunately, some students do not queue when entering and leaving the school cafe. In addition, it is unfair for students to come first and unfairly leave the school cafe, which causes the no queue. This causes the atmosphere at the entrance and easy to be overcrowded and irregular. The situation in the school cafe is also irregular because students do not fill the front room first and some lines are empty. Therefore, we will solve the problem of congestion of students who enter the school cafe using the queue. Problem statement. Problem 1. Congestion of students when entering and leaving the school cafe irregularly. Therefore, causing the atmosphere of the front door and exit door of the school cafe to be constant and uncontrolled. Problem 2. The incoming student will not occupy the front seat and sit down irregularly. Therefore, the seat position on the front in the school cafe is mostly empty. Problem 3. The entrance and exit of the student will be stay when the entrance and exit of students use only one door. That's why we have to create two entrances to isolate both male and female students. The queue process can occur when they enter the school cafe.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nur Afrika binti Khairul Sarif, nombor matrik 13 DDT 21F 2003. Manual statement. This manual flow will show the situation where the student enter the school cafe until the school leave the school cafe. Student will go through the entrance school cafe in queue. So student will walk to the seat provided and they will complete the front seat first. When out, the first student to enter the school cafe will come out first like queue concept. From this manual stream will show student the state of being in the school cafe and out in queue. Student do not queue when entering school cafe. The picture show the situation when the student enter the school. The situation look very uncontrollable and irregular. Therefore, it will be a matter of rejecting one another to enter the school cafe. Because of that, the student do not ask concept of queue to enter. When the situation become in front of the school cafe, the situation will be unfair for the student who came first because They will definitely go into the school cafe by not using the line. Student does not meet the front seat. In this picture to show the situation when the student sits in irregular order and without proper arrangement. If you try to look careful, there is still a blank spacing in the line. It means that there are still students who do not fill the seat beforehand. First, it happened because the student does not fill the front or empty seat first. This will cause the row to appear incomplete and irregular. With that cue, we can fill the front seat first without leaving an empty seat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nofati Syairah binti Nawawi. Nombor matrik saya 13 DDT 21F2009. Objective to achieve. Help the situation in the school's cafe is more organized and neat. The student will fill the front seat first. The incoming student will first go and according to the queue method, first in, first out. Example solution queue implement. Based on solution, the first problem occurred was in front of the school's cafe because the student did not queue to enter the school's cafe. To solve this problem, we used the queue concept of a queue student when entering the school's cafe so that the situation is more neat and orderly. The next problem is that the first student did not fill the front seat first. This causes the seat to be empty because it's not filled by students. Therefore, we use the concept of queue, which is the first student must fill the front seat so that the seat is not empty and full at the front. The last problem was the congestion that happened at the front door at the school's cafe exit. To solve this problem, we solve by providing two entrances and exits. We separate between male and female students. Conclusion. In conclusion, by using queue, we can solve the problem faced by the students when entering and leaving the school's cafe. Example, the atmosphere when entering the front door and the school's cafe exit becomes crowded and uncontrollably. With the queue, the mood when entering the front door and exit door, the school's cafe is no longer crowded and fully controlled, and the students can enter and leave the school's cafe safely. Next, by using the queue also, when entering the school's cafe, we can fill the seats in front of the orderly, seemingly neat. Next, with queue, we can create two entrances to separate both male and female students. Queue process will occur when the students enter the school's cafe. Thus, using the queue, it can facilitate and solve the problem of students when entering and exiting the school's cafe. Thank you.